So in exercise 2, we need to check for overpayments. And our overpayments could be that we've paid someone more or less than they would have had according to their pay per period record that's in EMP MAST, or they may have been paid and they're not on our records, or they may have been paid, or they may not have been paid and they're on our records. So we need to do a join between EMP MAST. EMP MAST talks about all those things we expect people to be paid. So we're going to join, actually we'll do it from payroll, data, join. We're going to pick up all primary and all secondary when we've joined it on EMP MAST, joining by EMP no. Primary key, EMP no. Secondary key, EMP no. So they're joined on EMP no. We've joined payroll, which is a record of everyone who's been paid, with EMP MAST, which is a record of everyone who should be paid. I've gone with all primary and secondary because that's going to tell me anything that's unmatched in either table. So they might have a record that they've been paid, but nothing in EMP MAST. We'd find out those people. They may have a record in EMP MAST, but nothing, they weren't paid. We'd know about that as well. PR underscore gross to salary. Click OK. And I missed putting these in. Now we'll do it. Now, instantly I can tell you here we've got someone who is on our records to be paid but hasn't been paid. These two people are not on our records and they have been paid. And in here I also happen to know that there are some variations from what the pay per period is. But let's check that. Gross pay does not equal pay per period. I'll verify that. That's good. Click OK. And here we've got 5 records that I might want to investigate some more. This one here for number 20 and 120, if you take a look, their variations are not all that high. 343750 versus 3637, it's not that much difference, but these ones here probably worry me. They were paid without a record, and as in here, wasn't paid. Now, it could just be clerical processes still catching up. That's okay. What we need to be sure of is that we investigate and reconcile and think about what this might all mean. We would ask some questions. We'd review and reconcile and ask the questions of people. And that's really all any of these tests can really do. They're a starting point, they're not the end point. I couldn't conclude that fraud has occurred on this basis, but it's a place to start asking questions.